Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to bake 3 beef potato curry pies. Let's get started. Heat up the saucepan at medium heat without any oil. Add the ground beef. Keep stirring, it will generate lots of fat. Potato cubes. Keep stirring. When the color becomes dark, turn off the heat and remove it from the saucepan. Melt some unsalted butter with the same saucepan. Add the chopped yellow onion. Keep stirring until the color is brown. Some minced garlic. Tomato puree. Curry powder. Minced ginger. Cumin seeds. Sweet chutney. A little cinnamon powder. Clove powder. Mix them well, then add the ground beef and potato I cooked before. Salt for seasoning. Lemon juice. Mix with plain flour. Gradually add water, and the texture will begin to thicken. Turn off the heat, add fresh coriander, and let it cool down. Grease the baking dishes with vegetable oil, then sprinkle some plain flour. Use any market brand puff pastry. Measure the lid first, leave 1 cm around the edges. Adjust the pastry to fit the baking dish. Remove the extra. Prick the base with the fork. Brush some egg wash. Add the filling to the baking dish. Cover with the lid. Press to seal the edges. Remove the extra. This is how I crimp the pie. Brush the egg wash. Make some pie vents. My recipe will be enough to make 2 round and 1 square mini pies. Preheat the oven at 400 Fahrenheit. Bake the 3 mini pies for 30 minutes. Time is up. Let's check the pies. These 3 pies are enough to feed 4 people. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So, each mini pie cost me just over $6. I'm going to enjoy my beef and potato curry pies with HP sauce. Thanks for watching my video.